Well, just open up the charts. 3 minutes into market open, we've swept out this 4-hour high inside the 4-hour fair value gap. Potential for a reversal here. Waiting for this, some good displacement down, and then I can take that. We've got this 15-minute down here that we can target. Yeah. Got a few minutes until that closes though. We also have this 5-minute, we'll break even here. We have tapped into it, bloody hell, we're dumping. Shit, man. Doesn't look like we'll be able to take this trade. What is this? Look at that. That's crazy. That's pretty mental. You've reversed the 5-minute fair value gap, so I could actually enter. Fuck, I could have entered that, I didn't even see. I was just focused on this 3-minute. Didn't realise we inversed the 5-minute before we inversed the 3-minute. That's crazy. I'd have gone break even there though, at this 15-minute gap. I could have set the 1 minute. Bro, look at that trade. But that's not in line with my strat. Yeah, fuck that. We dumped so hard, bro. Don't know if I'm gonna get entry in this. Well, I've already missed my entry for the short. Realistically. Got this hourly low. That would be the target. We actually have inversed this 15-minute. Not gonna lie, this doesn't look very good for anything for me today. Obviously, I'm definitely not gonna be able to take shorts. I shouldn't think. Potentially longs, but do I want to take longs after this massive move down? I don't know. Like realistically, we filled in this opening gap over here, so there isn't actually much reason for us to carry on going lower. But there's always reason for price for these markets to go higher. Not too sure. Target, go long, target up to these hourly highs. There's a lot of, I do like the look of longs here, but it was just the opening movement did look good for shorts, but we'll see. Actually would have been nice to tap out break even there if I took this 5-minute short. There is a potential for a continuation here. 5-minute fair value gap. No fair value gap to the downside though. No structure. Unless this 3 minute stays open. I wouldn't mind taking that. But have to be lucky. See if it stays open. It's not completely closed. We've inversed on the 15. There's a very good reason us to carry on going down. We've inversed the 15-minute. We still haven't taken out this low. Right. See if this inverses. I want to see some good displacement. Liking the look of this. Just hopefully the entry is okay. We break even here. I like the look of this. Just really need that 1-to-1 entry and then I'll take it. See, the annoying thing with waiting for these 3-minute, these 5-minute entries is just like you don't get those sniper type shits. So you have to wait so long now after me. Wait on 3 minutes for this entry. Right, 1 more minute. Come up a little bit. Yeah.
Order filled.
Right, we're in another trade. Ooh, 519. See what we get. I'll go break even if S and the ES sweeps these up. I wouldn't be mad at this if we had swept out this on ES and created a genuine SMT. So it's just a bit annoying. So sometimes this happens.
Order filled.
Alright, let's go loss there. That's okay. See what happens after this. It's annoying because I was like, I would have gone break even if ES had taken this, but we just barely didn't. So there's no reason for us to. Well, obviously there is a reason for price to reverse. Doesn't need a reason, but yeah. If this had just had a couple of ticks lower, then I would have gone break even. It would have been a break even trade, but that's all right. Maybe leave it there for today. Yeah, just the fact that pricing burst on with the 15-minute, suggesting that we might want to come down and take these lows up. 5-minute opened up, we tapped into it, we reversed to the downside on the 3-minute with good displacement. I took the trade. Yeah, not mad about that at all. We'll just see if anything else comes up. If not, then I'll just have to take it on the chin. Yeah, looking at the account now, it looks like the maximum loss limit maxes out at 50k. So that gives us a little bit of wiggle room. That's about 3 or 4 trades that I would have to take. That I would have to lose in a row from now on, which is unlikely with my win percentage. But it could happen, and if it does happen, then I'll just have to keep going. 5 minutes been inversed. So that's no longer a short from this point. Will no longer be viable. Market's taking out these highs. We'll see if we get absolutely anything off of that. Not really trying to give any more money to the market today, so I might just keep it a one and done today. But yeah, just interested to see if anything happens from this.
Order filled.
Got in here. Not risking as much, but good displacement to the low side. Gonna target these lows here. Yeah, I'll see what happens.
Order filled.
Here we go. Quick win. 1-1 loss of the day. Not mad about the loss. Just due to the little difference in the amount I risked. Means we're like $47 down, but that's pretty much break even for the day. Yeah, could have really held, to be fair, but don't want to be greedy. Just get one and done. It was over my 1-to-1 target, which is what I target. So yeah, that's that. That'll be me done today. I'll just leave this down here just to see if it ever. I'll look at it tomorrow, see if it ever gets all the way down here. It would have been a fucking unreal trade if it does. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it might do. It probably will. Like, although we have inverse to the upside on the 15-minute. Didn't see that, to be fair. But yeah, like, it's still a decent trade. Glad to have one and done it. Now that I've seen that 15-minute inverse to the upside, yeah, I'm glad to have one and done it. I might not have even taken it if I did see that before. But yeah, good displacement. Resweep of this high inside the 4 hour fair value cap, and yeah, happy to take a win. I was very hesitant about that. I was scared. I'm not gonna lie, but I just thought to myself, cast the fear away. And it's still a very good trade. Like, so the fear of already losing one. Do you know what I mean? If this was my first one, there would be no fear at all. But just I didn't want to let that have any effect on me placing the trade, so I just took it. I did hesitate slightly for a couple of seconds, but yeah, it is what it is. yeah, that's that. Catch you in a bit.